was told, but belief feels heavy when the nights are cold. I've smiled in rooms full of light while my soul kept losing the fight. They say be strong, God is near, but faith gets quiet when He doesn't appear. I didn't stop believing, I just got tired of pretending I'm okay. I'm still here, barely breathing, still praying, barely believing. I didn't walk away, I just fell inside, trying to hold on while something in me died. I still believe, but it hurts to say I'm still here, barely. I know the verses, I know the songs, I know how to look like I'm standing strong, but strength feels fake when the weight is real, and every amen feels like a deal. I asked for peace, I got the storm. I asked for healing, I got one. They say you're close to the broken heart, so why does the silence tear me apart? If you're still here, then hear my cry. I don't need answers, just don't pass me by. I'm still here, barely breathing, still praying, barely believing. I didn't curse your name, I just cried, wondering why faith feels like a fight. I still believe, but it hurts to say I'm still here, barely. I don't need fire from the sky, I don't need the mountain move tonight, I don't need to feel you strong, I just need to know you're not gone. If this is faith when nothing's clear, then take my fear, because all I have left is that I'm still here. I'm still here. On shaking ground, still holding on without a sound. No victory song, no lifted hands, just a tired heart saying I can't. If staying